Hello, welcome. Let's look at how to solve this equation. It is read as x root of 4 brackets open x square root of 8 bracket close equals to x square root of 128. Find the value of x. Solution. We have the equation x root of 4 brackets open x square root of 8 bracket close equals to x square root of 128. So let's break this one. We can write here as x root of 4 multiplied by x root of x square root of 8. So you see that the 8 is in the x square root and also in the x root. That is why we split it this way. So this is equals to x square root of 128. So we have this identity. If you have root of what? A, is going to give us a raised to the power 1 over n. So we apply that one here. So here, in here, we will have 4 raised to the power 1 over x multiplied by, here, taking this particular root here, we are taking this one first. Taking this one, we will have here as x root of 8, converting as 8 raised to the power 1 over x squared equals to x square root of 128. So here, this one implies 4 raised to the power 1 over x multiplied by, we apply the root to this place too again. So here will become 8 raised to the power 1 over x squared all raised to the power 1 over x equals to 128 raised to the power 1 over x squared. So this implies 4 raised to the power 1 over x multiplied by 8. Now we apply this indices rule again. If you have 8 to the power m raised to the power n, we are going to have it as 8 to the power m times n. So here 1 times 1 will give us 1 over x squared times x will give us x to the power 3 equals to 128 raised to the power 1 over x squared. So this implies 4 raised to the power 1 over x multiplied by 8 raised to the power 1 over x to the power 3 equals to 128 raised to the power 1 over x squared. So here 4 can be written as 2 squared. So raise the power 1 over x. 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 raise the power 1 over x to the power 3 equals to 128 can be written as 2 to the power 7 all raised to the power 1 over x squared. So we apply the indices rule again, which is if we have 8 to the power m raised to the power n equals to 8 to the power m n. So apply this rule, we will have here can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 times 1 will give us 2, so we have 2 over x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3 times 1 will give us 3, so that's 3 over x to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power 7, we have 7, so we have 2 to the power 7 over x squared. So we apply this indices rule again. If you have a to the power m times a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So we apply this rule. If we apply it here, so here is multiplying. So we can write this one as 2 raised to the power 2 over x plus 3 raised to the power 3 over x what cube equals to 2 to the power 7 over x squared. So here we can write this one, find out, we try to solve this one. So here, look at the basis. The base here is 2 and the base here is also what? 2. So the exponent is here, the exponent is here, and the exponent here. So must be equated. So this implies 2 over x plus 3 over x to the power 3 is equals to 7 over x squared. Right. So here we multiply through by x to the power 3. So we will have 2 over x plus 3 over x to the power 3 equals to 7 over x squared. So we multiply this one by x to the power 3. So here times x to the power 3 times x to the power 3 times x to the power 3. Power 3 divided by, okay, let's write it this way. We will have 2x to the power 3 over x plus 3x to the power 3 over x to the power 3 equals to 7x to the power 3 over x squared. So here we realize that 2x to the power 3 divided by x will give us 2x squared plus 3x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3 will give us 3 equals to 7x to the power 3 divided by 7x to the power 2, so divided by x to the power 2 will give us 7x. So let's take the 7x to the left hand side. So we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. So we are going to factorize. This is a quadratic equation and we need to factorize it. So in factorizing it, we have 2x squared. Let's put this one into minus 6x minus x. So minus 6x minus x give us 7. Right, so plus 3 equals to 0. So we have 2x squared minus 6x in brackets minus, so we're taking minus out here, so here we left with x minus 3 equals to 0. X is common, so take that one out. So we have 2x, we factorize that one out. We have 2x, we have x minus 3 minus 1 is factorized out, and here we left with x minus 3 equals to 0. So you see that x minus 3 is common. So we factorize x minus 3 out, and here we'll be left with 2x. Here's left with minus 1 equals to 0. Either x minus 3 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. So from here we have x equals to 0 plus 3. Therefore x is equals to 3. And from here, we have 2x equals to 0 plus 1. So we have 2x equals to 1. Divide both sides by 2. We have x equals to 1 over 2. So therefore, x1 is equals to 3 and x2 is equals to half. So these are the set of equations, set of solutions that satisfy the equation.